let's talk about how we can include science more in our lives. There are a lot of books that helped us notice the marvels of nature, which we did not know before. Some also reminded us that not everything we think is right, and we are just an infinitesimally small part of this ever-expanding universe. Some good books are A Brief History of Time by Sir Stephen Hawking, Hyperspace by Michio Kaku, What is Reality by Richard Dawkins, Journey by Starlight by Ian Flitcroft, The Time Machine by H.G. Wells, and George and the Secret Key to the Universe by Lucy and Stephen Hawking. The book Hyperspace is based on the idea that four-dimensional forces can be explained with one unified theory if the universe is thought of as 10 or higher dimensional. The Brief History of Time has made immense contribution in human society by explaining the origin of the universe. Journey by Starlight is a book that contains lots of cartoons to explain difficult topics of science. After reading them, I realized how much we humans already know and how much we have yet to find out. Now let's talk about how we can do little science experiments at home. On Arvind Gupta's YouTube channel, there are a lot of easy experiments that anyone can do at home. All the components are affordable and are easily available at any electrical or repairing shop. There are some amazing YouTube channels that provide information about different topics of science, like Veritasium, Vsauce, and It's Okay to Be Smart. There are some documentaries and shows that we really need to watch to understand the secrets of the universe and to stay curious. Some of them are
Hello. My name is Stephen Hawking. Although I cannot move, and I have to speak through a computer, in my mind, I am free.
Across all of space and time, this is Star Talk.
Seems to be. Can something feel real, but not actually be real?
क्या बोलोगे आप? ये मत बनाओ, वो मत बनाओ, गो ग्रीन।
पिछले 2-3 साल पहले बोला उन्होंने कि हमें खेत दे दो यहाँ।
Show me one honest EIA. You show me any EIA, I will show you what is the problem.
There are so many things that we can do to keep our curiosity alive. I hope we will try to learn more every day. Thank you for watching.